In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Odysseus Access files on your computer. The easiest and safest way to do this is not by giving direct access to your entire device, but by uploading only the specific files you want Odysseus to work with. This gives you more control over what is shared, and it also keeps the process simple and secure. To begin, open a chat or workspace where you want to interact with Odysseus. Once you're inside the chat, look for the Upload or Attach File button. Depending on the interface, this may appear as a paperclip icon, an upload arrow, or a clearly labeled file attachment option. Click that button to start selecting the file you want to share. Next, browse your computer and choose the file or files you want Odysseus to analyze. This could be a PDF, a document, a spreadsheet, or another supported file type. After you select the files, wait a moment for them to finish uploading. If the file is large, it may take a little longer, so make sure the upload completes before moving on. Once your file is attached, you can start asking Odysseus questions about it directly in the chat. This is where the real value comes in. Instead of just uploading the file and stopping there, be clear about what you want help with. For example, you can ask Odysseus to summarize a PDF, create action items from a document, or analyze a spreadsheet. Giving a specific instruction usually leads to a more useful response. If you're working with a long or detailed file, it can also help to ask focused questions one at a time. That makes the answers easier to review and helps Odysseus stay aligned with exactly what you need. For example, you might first ask for a summary, then ask for key takeaways, and then ask for next steps based on the content already uploaded. The main thing to remember is that this method allows Odysseus to work with your files without needing broad access to your computer. You stay in control by choosing exactly what to upload, and that makes this the safest and easiest option for most situations. So, to recap in a natural workflow, open a chat or workspace, click Upload or Attach File, select the files from your computer, and then ask Odysseus questions about those uploaded files. If your goal is to get quick insights, summaries, or analysis, this is the best way to do it.